Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice solid wood china cabinet that we're going to redo. So follow along, subscribe as we take this old worn out piece and try to bring it back to life. Alright, so we've kind of examined it. We know what's going on. Everything looks secure. So what we're going to do is start removing the hardware, and then we can start preparing it to be sanded. So let's get some of this hardware off. Okay, so we've got the piece all broke down. Everything looks nice and tight. Overall good condition. So what we're going to do is start sanding everything down. Going to use our DeWalt sander. Anything that's got the rough edges or anything like that will come back and hit with just a hand with the sandpaper in our hand. 120 grit. We're going to use this. Our mask, so we don't have to breathe it all in. There's a lot to do here, so let's get started. Alright, we have it vacuumed out, wiped down. We're not going to paint the inside, but we're going to paint the outside black. I think it's called Midnight Black. So we're just going to put one layer on, let it dry, come back tomorrow, put the second layer on, then we can work on the top and the drawers next. So let's throw some paint on here. We have our polyurethane water-based matte finish, which matches our matte black that we've been using. Got our brush to put it on. You want to put it on thin. You want to make sure you get any drips off of it, because any drips that dry will show the remnants of the polyurethane on it. So we're going to start with our drawers, work on our frame, let it dry, and then we can start putting this bad boy back together. Alright, here it is completed, our black china cabinet. all staged out, ready to go. Nice drawers throughout. There's a Willette Wildwood Cherry. It's the furniture maker. Lots of storage. I can't wait to see this in somebody's house. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, we'll keep doing cool projects like this for you guys.